Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory Dollies, is the Amaya Raine Challenge. For this, you can use any rainbow or shadow high doll you like. The theme this week is harvest, and Maya has her little hardballish um, shirt on. I love this shirt. I like anything 70s looking, and I love that look. She got a little bow in her hair and her jeans, and of course, heels. They might not match. Don't look too close. Heading heading out to harvest the rest of her garden and start her canning on her pickles and such. If you have an Amaya Raine video today, please let us know in the comments. Please go by Dory's. Be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to every channel today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Well, she better get with it. There's a lot of okra and jalapenos out there and
Yeah.
tomatoes that she needs to get processed.
We need more cucumbers. My turkeys are demanding it. I also want to remind you that tomorrow night at 6 p.m. Central, we will be live here on YouTube. And we do a photo, what do you call it, Darren?
Dolly Parade.
Dolly Parade. Darren asked that you send him photos to Darren at dollsrescue.com of your dolls. And this week's theme is Enid for the second half of the Wednesday show. And of course, that means all things Addams family. See you there.